How to schedule to automatically turn on or turn off dark mode on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Display and Brightness. In here, tap on Automatic button to turn on Schedule. Then tap on Options. In Options, you can schedule to have dark mode turn on automatically between sunset and sunrise. Or you can set a custom schedule. So in here you can choose the time. So the light is when your phone will be in light mode. So between 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. it will go to light mode. And between 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. it will automatically turn to dark mode. So if I select, say, 7 p.m. you can see at first 7 p.m. it automatically set the phone to dark mode because we are now at 7:47. So if I change it to, say, 7:48, you can see here if the phone turns to 7:48, then it should automatically turn to dark mode. And it's nearly there, so it's 7:47 now. If you just be patient for a few more seconds, it should automatically turn to dark mode. And that is how you can schedule your phone to automatically go to dark mode. So at the moment, it still hasn't switched to dark mode yet. It should have been. It could be because sometimes you may need to tap on the back key to save the changes. So here, if I go back to 47, you can see it goes to dark mode. 48, it is now in dark mode. And not sure why it didn't automatically go to dark mode just then. Could be because sometimes you just need to tap on the back key to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.